What is uniform distribution? That is what we have seen it a while back as part of a quiz. In statistics, a uniform distribution, a probability distribution, it describes a situation where all outcomes are equally likely. Okay, if you see this visual, the chart, almost all the rectangle size are almost same, right? So in this case, we don't see any bias in this distribution, and each outcome has the same chance of occurring. Okay, can someone give me an example now for this? Uniform distribution is a probability distribution that describes a situation where all outcomes are equally likely. I gave you the caterer example, right? The sale is because he is supplying the food to 30 staffs every month. Hence, his income is same. There is no ups and downs. Okay, all outcomes are equally likely in the case of normal distribution. There is no, so give me some other example. Price. Can we say price? Let's say you are selling washing machine. Okay. So the price for the washing machine, will that vary the same model, same brand, same type in a let's say 3 months time? Do you think the price will go high and down, up and down? Can you see ups and downs? No, right? There will be a minor variation. Price changes will be there. There is a minor variation. And if you see here, the middle, right? The 15 is the middle. If you see in the middle, 15, we can see that here. The peak of the histogram is in the middle of the range at 15. That means, right, in this case, there is an equal probability of product being priced at any value between 10 to, we can say 20, 10 to 20. There is an equal chance of product being priced at any value within the range of 10 to 20. How do I interpret this distribution? How do I interpret this chart? With, as soon as you plot the price in a chart, when you get something like this pattern, you can tell them your manager, you tell your stakeholder here, there is no bias in the pricing products. All products are, the prices are almost, same, not much variation. The peak of the histogram in the middle of the range indicates the average price of the product is 15. So in the case of e-commerce or retailers, they can use the distribution to set prices that are fair and competitive. So you cannot, determining the price for the product is very, very crucial. It's not that easy. If you reduce the price, you will burn your fingers. You will not get profitability. If you drastically reduce the price. If you increase the price also, you are in trouble because your competitor, they're selling the product at very less cost. Okay, so the selling at a very lesser cost and selling at overpricing, underpricing is also a problem. Underpricing is lesser cost, overpricing is higher cost. Okay, by looking at this chart, you can tell them, yeah, we were not biased. Okay, it's not that we don't see peaks and valleys. We don't see peaks and valleys is something like down, again peak and again valleys. We don't see peaks and valleys. Almost it's okay. There is a variation, but not much. The case of price, you will find this kind of pattern. Okay, you take any product, any specific product, and if you see the price over a period of time, and when you plot it, you will get something like this. All right, we are done with the uniform distribution. So in the case of uniform distribution, the probability distribution, or in the case of uniform distribution, all outcomes are equally likely. All outcomes are equally likely. Okay, that is what your uniform distribution is all about. The next one is